How do I reset my iPhone voicemail password?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to reset your iPhone voicemail password. Forgetting or needing to change your voicemail password can happen to anyone, so it's important to know the steps to reset it. In this video, we'll guide you through the process so you can regain access to your voicemail. Let's get started.
Accessing the voicemail settings.
The first step is to access the voicemail settings on your iPhone. Follow these steps. 1. Unlock your iPhone by entering your passcode or using Touch ID, Face ID. 2. Locate the Phone app on your home screen. It's usually a green icon with a white telephone receiver. 3. Tap on the Phone app to open it.
Accessing the voicemail menu.
Now that you have the Phone app open, it's time to access the voicemail menu. Here's what you need to do. 1. At the bottom of the Phone app, you'll see several tabs. Locate and tap on the Voicemail tab. It should be the one on the right, shaped like a tape cassette. 2. You'll be directed to the voicemail menu, where you can see a list of your voicemail messages.
Resetting your voicemail password.
Now that you're in the voicemail menu, let's proceed with resetting your voicemail password. 1. Locate and tap on the Change Voicemail Password option. It's usually located towards the bottom of the voicemail menu. 2. You might be prompted to enter your current voicemail password. If you remember it, go ahead and enter it to proceed. Otherwise, skip to the next step. 3. If you don't remember your current password, tap on the Forgot Password or Reset Password option. The exact wording may vary depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. 4. You may be asked to confirm your Apple ID or passcode. Provide the requested information to continue. 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up a new voicemail password. Choose a strong, memorable password that's not easily guessable.
Testing your new voicemail password.
Once you've successfully reset your voicemail password, it's essential to test it out to ensure everything is working correctly. Here's how you can do it. 1. Go back to the Voicemail tab in the Phone app. 2. Tap on the Greeting button located at the top left corner of the voicemail menu. 3. Record a new voicemail greeting message or use the default one if you prefer. 4. Hang up or end the call to finalize the changes. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your iPhone voicemail password. It's always a good idea to periodically update your password to maintain the security of your voicemail. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.